So do you smell that? Do you smell that? I got gas all over the ground here because this damn thing, if you try to put gas in it, watch what happens, right? This is a Fiat 500X. You push that in there, you start pouring gas, and it just pours out. You can't get the gas to go in. I've got gas all over the ground. I'm about to catch fire because of this damn filler cap. So what I need to do, I learned this just a few minutes ago. If you go into the back hatch of your Fiat 500X, take all your junk out, lift up where the spare tire goes, but they don't give you a spare tire. Way back in here, you've got this thing. And you take your little plastic funnel out. Take your funnel out. And apparently you got to stick this all the way down in there in order to put gas in the car if you run out of gas. Then you can do this and the gas will go in. But unless you stick that funnel in, there's no way to get gas in the car, and you'll be stranded by the side of the road not knowing how to get gas in your car. That's all.